Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript symbol. A symbol is a primitive data type that is unique and immutable. It's often used as a way to create property keys that are guaranteed to be unique, which can be particularly useful when working with object properties, especially in scenarios like defining private properties or avoiding naming collisions. Let's see the practical example. I have opened my code editor. First, I create a symbol data type. I use the symbol function to create a symbol. Now I want to check the type of the symbol. For this, I use console.log method, and in this I write type of, and next I pass value variable. Next, open your browser, inspect page and select the console. You can see the type of symbol is symbol. In symbol we can also pass an optional string as its decryption. So, in parentheses I write hello, world. In console.log method I remove type of keyword, here I only write value variable. In console, you can see I get the symbol with description. If we want only description of symbol, for that I write description keyword next to value. In console you can see I get the description of symbol successfully. Now, I add symbol as an object key. So I remove this code. Now, I create a new symbol, and store symbol in ID variable. In symbol and write a description ID. Next, I create an object, with name person. And in this object, I write name and age of the person. Next, I use a symbol as an ID. For this, we can add symbols as a key in an object using square brackets. Now, I print the value of object in console. For this I write console.log method, and in this method I pass person. In console you can see I get the value of an object successfully with symbol as an ID. If you want to get the value of single element we can use dot and next write name. But with symbol this method give us an error. In console you can see I get undefined message. Next I want to check the name of the person. So, now you can see I get the name of person successfully. For getting symbol ID, we can enclose in square brackets instead of using dot. So, now you can see I get the value of ID successfully. The for in loop does not iterate over symbolic properties. So, I try to iterate an object with for in loop. Here, I write for in loop, and in this first I create an variable with name key, next I use in keyword, and next I pass person object. After that I write console.log method, and in this method I pass key variable. Here, you can see I get only name and age, not symbol value. But you notice, the ID value upside, I get this because I print this value before for in loop. So, I comment this line of code. Now, you can see I cannot get any ID or its value. Now, I remove this line of code. Here, I create a toString with same value and compare this string. In console you can see it's true, that mean these string are equal. Now, I check symbol with same description, and see what happen. So, I create one more symbol and pass same value. Next, I compare the symbol and print a message in a description. In console you can see I get a value false, because symbols are immutable, cannot be changed, and are unique. In this case, if both symbol contain same description, they are not same, it's a different from each other. Next, I remove this code, and see how to print a value of symbol in a document. Here, I use alert method, and in this I pass symbol variable. In console you can see I get an error, they tell us first convert symbol into string format. So, for this I use next to id dot to string method. Now, you can see, I successfully print a symbol in alert. Now, I want to print a symbol description in alert box. So, first, I change the description of symbol. Next, I write id.description in console.log method. Next open browser and reload it, so you can see I get the description of an symbol in alert box. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.